A lot of people have been asking me, how do you get the yellow sweatband of a hat to turn completely white? Because I've posted many times about it, showed people what the before and after looks like, but never the actual process of how to do it. So what you're gonna need is some hydrogen peroxide spray. I've got this right here. I've got a freshly washed hat. So if you don't know how to wash a hat, I've got a video on my channel, how to fully wash and restore a hat. And it's basically 3 steps. You make the solution, OxyClean powder, Blue Dawn dish soap, and OxyClean gel stick. Mix all of that in cold water. The hot water will sometimes make a hat, the color bleed, which you don't want. Then scrub that all up with a soft bristled brush, rinse it off, then dry it. Rinse it off with water, that is, then dry it. So I've got these hats freshly washed. And if you can see here, this Yankees hat, the white here from the wash, the staining or the dirt on it kind of bled into the white. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take care of the sweatband, and then we're also gonna try to get some of that yellowing out there, which I've never done it before in like a specific area. But what we're gonna do for the sweatband is we're gonna take the hat here and we're going to carefully spray some of this. And I actually got it a little bit right there, which I think will be okay. And then I'm gonna just scrub this in. I may need a little more just to get it wet. And you wanna do this on a sunny day when the UV is high, because the sun is what's going to react with this hydrogen peroxide. I don't know the full science behind it, but we've got sort of a cloudy day, but the UV is a 7, so that's good enough for this. So we're gonna just get this really good all around. We don't need too much, because a little bit will do the trick. Okay, so now that we got the inside done, we're gonna do these letters, which I'm gonna be a little more risky and just apply it. If you wanna be very precise, what you can do is just spray it on the brush. This brush is a little frayed, but you could use a more fine-tuned brush. So we're gonna just brush that on, and we'll see if it messes up the blue. I'm not sure, we're gonna learn this together. So we're just gonna screw it. We're gonna put a good amount on there. And if we mess it up, we mess it up. This will be just a personal for mine anyway. I was gonna keep this anyway just for myself, so we'll see. So we're gonna split the time here. Half of it's gonna be for the sweatband, and then about halfway through I'll flip it so we can get the script part. We're also gonna do this for some of these other hats. I got a little on the brim there, which should be okay. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure, but every time I've done this, the sweatband has come out super clean. And this, we've only got just like a little mark there. Seems like the main wash kind of took care of most of it. All right, now we've got them lined up in the sun. I'm gonna go get a dumbbell to hold these hats down because I'm not on the first floor and I don't want these hats blowing away. And we're gonna check back once they're ready. All right, we're checking back in on the hats. It's 5:41 right now. When we first set them down, it was about 1 or 2 o'clock when that UV was really high, around a 7. The sun didn't poke out as much as I was hoping. It was pretty overcast, but I believe those UV rays still poked through. Ideally, you want to do this on a day that's really sunny, hot, and the UV is really high. So the UV is just about a 2 or a 3 right now. So we're going to take a look at the hats now. You can see the sweatband here, definitely a ton of progress on this thing. You can see the areas where we didn't spray it as much, so it's still pretty kind of dirty there on the back, but definitely progress. This thing looks so much better. And then the Yankees on the front, I think this turned out pretty good. It does look like, if you look closely, you can see some of the areas around the Yankees white script are a little bit lighter. So definitely be careful around, if you're not doing this on the sweatband, be mindful of that. But this one was definitely a success, granted the conditions, the not incredibly sunny conditions. This one, we also got, I think this was the one where we had a little mark right there, and that pretty much almost 100% came out. And then this thing looks great. So shout out the sun and the hydrogen peroxide. And this is just a spray bottle. You don't need a spray bottle. You could use a Q-tip or just put it on a toothbrush. But this one was like a complete trash beater that had stains all over it and was horrible. So this is the second time watching it, and it actually turned out pretty well. So overall, a success. And that is the hydrogen peroxide method. Definitely wash the hats first, and then use the sun to dry it. We'll pat it dry first. I put these in front of a fan for a little bit, but mainly 5 minutes after sitting in front of the fan, got that peroxide on them and let them bask in the sun. So that's my advice for cleaning the sweatband of the hat. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment, let me know you enjoyed it, and stay posted on Instagram for the hat drops, because a lot of these hats will be included in there.